So the full version of GravityExport requires the Lite version to be installed first. So to download and install the Lite version, head over to the plugin page on wordpress.org, search for GravityExport Lite, and then simply click the download button there on the right to download the plugin file to your computer. Then you can take that plugin file and install it on your website. Alternatively, you can install the plugin from inside your WordPress admin, and you can do that by hovering over Plugins and then clicking Add New. And now you want to just search for GravityExport. And there you go, that will load. And then simply click Install Now. So when that's finished, just click Activate. Okay, so now we have GravityExport Lite installed, and the next step is to install GravityExport. So first you need to head over to the Gravity View website and log into your account. Once you've logged in, just click on the Downloads tab there at the top. And now scroll down until you see GravityExport and click Download Plugin. So that will download the plugin zip file to your computer. Okay, so to install the plugin, just head over to your plugins page in WordPress, click Add New. Now click Upload Plugin, and then click Choose File, and select the file that you downloaded in the previous step. And then click Install Now. Okay, so once the plugin has finished installing, just click Activate Plugin. Now that we have GravityExport Lite and GravityExport installed, we can move on to the next step. Alright, so the next step is to activate your GravityExport license. You can do that by heading back to your account page and clicking the tab at the top that says Your Licenses. So you'll see your license key on the right hand side there. Mine is an all access license, yours might be different, but that's okay. So just click in the box there to highlight it, and then press Ctrl-C to copy, or Command-C on a Mac. Head back to your website, and now you want to hover over Forms there, click on Settings. Now click on the GravityExport tab there on the left, not the GravityExport Lite tab. Okay, so once you're on this page, simply just paste your license key into the box there and click the button that says Activate License. Okay, so that will verify, and if everything is good to go, it'll display a message saying your license key is valid and active. Finally, just click Save Settings and you're done. So after activating your license, you are ready to start using GravityExport. To unlock the full functionality of the plugin, you'll first need to activate the download URL on your form. So to do that, just head to the Forms page in Gravity Forms, and then just hover over your form and click on the Settings link there. Now click on the GravityExport Lite tab on the left. And then finally just click on the button that says Enable Download. So as you can see, the plugin generates a unique download URL for you. And by enabling the download, you are now able to create save feeds that will that allow you to send data to Dropbox or FTP or local storage. And of course, you can also create filter sets which allow you to export multiple reports with different fields and different configurations.